As of August 2025, Instagram prioritizes video content across the platform, making it crucial to effectively manage your video uploads. Today, we'll cover how to delete videos from your Instagram feed, Reels, and Stories using your mobile device. First, let's learn how to delete regular feed videos. These are the standard video posts that appear in your followers' main feeds and can be up to 60 minutes long. To delete a feed video, start by navigating to your profile page. You'll see your video posts displayed in a grid format. Next, tap on the specific video you want to delete. This will open the video in full view. Look for the three dots menu in the top right corner of the video. This is your options menu. From the menu that appears, select the delete option, then confirm your choice in the pop-up dialog. Now let's cover deleting Instagram Reels. These are short-form vertical videos that can be 15 seconds to 15 minutes long and are algorithm-driven for discovery. To delete a reel, go to your profile and tap the Reels tab. This will show all your published reels in a grid format. Select the specific reel you want to remove by tapping on it. Just like with feed videos, tap the three dots menu, choose Delete, and confirm the action. Finally, let's learn about deleting Instagram Stories. These are temporary content pieces that normally disappear after 24 hours, but can be saved to highlights. To delete a story, open the story you want to remove. Then tap the three dots menu in the bottom right corner. Select Delete from the menu and confirm your choice. The pop-up will explain restoration options before permanent deletion. Additionally, stories can be deleted from your archive by going to Settings, then Account, and selecting Recently Deleted. Remember, all three deletion methods follow a similar pattern. Navigate to the content, use the three dots menu, select Delete, and confirm. Stories have the additional option of archive deletion through your account settings. Content deletion should be strategic, not impulsive. Successful Instagram management requires a systematic approach to content curation that balances performance, relevance, and brand consistency. Start with quarterly content audits using Instagram Insights. This dashboard shows key metrics like reach, impressions, and engagement rates that help identify underperforming content. Before permanently deleting any content, consider using Instagram's archive feature. This removes posts from your profile while keeping them accessible in your private archive for potential future use. Research shows that 23% of users delete content within 30 days of posting. To minimize impact, delete content during low engagement periods, typically late at night or early morning when fewer followers are active. If you accidentally delete content, don't panic. Instagram's recently deleted folder holds your content for 30 days, giving you time to recover important posts. This safety net makes strategic deletion less risky. Remember these key strategies: audit content quarterly using Instagram Insights, archive before deleting when possible, time deletions strategically, back up important content, and use the 30-day recovery window as a safety net. Strategic content management improves your overall Instagram performance and maintains a cohesive brand presence.